So you're done setting up your new Helcim Smart Terminal, but how do you actually take a payment? Let me show you. Start by turning on the terminal with this button on the right-hand side. Then log into the device using your email and password, or your numerical PIN if you've set one up. The first thing you'll see is a point of sale window. Here, enter a custom amount to charge using the number pad. Alternatively, you can select items to view the products from your catalog. Tap the plus sign next to an item to add it to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, tap Review. This is where you can add discounts, review your taxes, or link a customer or invoice to the sale. Once everything looks good, hit Charge to go to the payment screen. If you've enabled tips, they can select an option. When paying, remind your customer to tap near the top of the terminal. This is close to the sensor. You'll hear a sound when the payment is done. If using a chip, your customer can insert their card at the bottom and then enter their PIN on the screen. Success! Another sale for the day. To finish things off, you can either print, text, or email a receipt for your customer. As you can see, you have everything you need to get started with your Helcim Smart Terminal. Click here to learn how to set up the terminal, or head to learn.helcim.com for more information on Helcim and our other payment tools.